are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our motherland, India. It is really a moment of pride for us. This day marks the historical day on which 75 years ago we got independence. We celebrate this special day to pay tribute and remember the struggles undertaken by our leaders. Salute to those leaders who understood the worth and importance of a freed India under a free and fresh air. Today, everyone from one part of our country to another part are chanting slogans of Jai Bharat Mata with great spirit and energy. It is indeed the spirit of freedom and love for the land. We are an independent, fairly respected and a progressive nation of this world. In fact, since the day of independence to this day, we have much developed in every sphere of life. The term unity in diversity refers to the togetherness or integrity shown by the people despite the presence of infinite diversity. United we are strong, divided we fall. It is an absolute honor to welcome you all to this celebration of our Independence Day. I, Amog, welcome you all on behalf of DNS family to this wonderful virtual platform to celebrate the event Unity in Diversity.
My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi. My name is Madhavi, I'm from Alapi. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. My name is Nattuvar, I'm from Srinagar. I speak Kashmiri, but I'm just like you.
My name is Subrata, I'm from Kolkata. My name is Subrata, I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you.
My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara, I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher, I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you.
My name is Bindia, I'm from India. My name is Bindia, I'm from India. I speak Hindi and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
पम 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 ये देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। पम पम पम
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी। सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी। सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। पम 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 पम।